guys, it's Scarlett Build Across, and I have another paint kit to show you guys today. This one is our patriotic geometric flag quilt pattern. It's probably got a lot of little names to help you identify it. I went in and base coated just my main areas except these stripes in white, and then I'm going in and filling in around the star in blue, and then filling in my other stripes with red. And I am going to do a second coat on these. You can see it needs it. And this is a paint by line, so all the lines are etched into it, and it is a kit, so you'll get everything you need to finish it. And then for the last final step, I just go in with a brown paint and do the edges to kind of give it a stained look. And if you guys want to speed up the process, I recommend like a heat gun, and just in between layers you can go in and dry it real quick. And this one's really simple, so that's all for the video. I hope you guys enjoy it and have a great day.